Hello friends, I am BM. In this video I will show you how to fix PC shutdown issue or uptime issue. Okay, let's start the video. Now you check in Task Manager. There is a shown my PC is not off 1 day 9 hour 52 minute 33 seconds because I am start my PC before 5 minute. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. First open control panel. Click on control panel, click on category, click on large icon, click on power option, click on choice what the power button does. Okay, now you see here shutdown button. This is turn on fastest startup. Click on change startup that are currently unavailable. Now uncheck turn on fast startup recommended. Okay, after this click on save changes. Now close this control panel, click on start and click on power, click on shutdown. Okay, now I will see after shutdown PC. Okay, PC will be start after shutdown. Now check system uptime. Okay, right click on task manager, click on task manager. Okay, now you see my PC uptime is 1 minute 30 seconds. Okay, this simple step to fix the shutdown problem. Okay, thank you for watching me. See you on next video. Don't forget like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.